Now, this is something that humanity will have to confront with in the days to come. Climate change is real, there's no denying it. It's affecting the world at an alarming rate. Scientists and conservationists around the world have been talking about this for a long time now. But how are people responding to it? How are governments responding to it? They're trying to combat the crisis, and this is all down to the choices that we, of course, make. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization has now come forth to discuss as to how its ambitions on climate change and security can be taken into account in the development of new military capabilities. The NATO, remember, is a military alliance, but now it says that it also wants to address the chronic problem of climate change. Now, organizing its very first Industry Symposium, NATO has brought together over 150 representatives from allies and industry. The participants during the conference discussed ways to make use of innovative and green technology in capability requirements. They also discussed self-sustainment of forces and infrastructure and the development of sustainable fuels that will help reduce military carbon footprint from air, land and also the maritime domains. Now, speaking on the alliance, the Assistant Secretary General for Defence Investment said that the main objective of the meeting was climate change and security. Ensuring further changes, the Secretary General said that the military capabilities are ready for the future and hence they will, of course, bring into account the impact of the defence sector as well in terms of how it impacts the environment. The alliance will further require close partnerships with industry both from the defence and also from the civilian world. Over a period of time, allies have started recognising climate change as a threat multiplier that's been affecting NATO's security operations and also its missions. Hence, as part of the NATO 2030 agenda, the alliance has been actively engaging experts, civil society members and also the private sector in developing its climate change and security agenda adopted by NATO leaders in 2021. And also as part of this agenda, NATO is trying to incorporate climate change considerations into its work on capability development, especially of the communities who live in the most affected regions of the world. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.